Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Apologies if there's any wind noise right now, and actually it is pretty cold wind as well, because we're finally moving into winter, kind of, yay. We're installing a new head unit in the Miata, because of course this car needs tunes, because it has a stock exhaust, and this car doesn't need to have any sick beats, because it has a really sick exhaust, so that's why we don't need the super sick tunes in here, but we do need to have some Bluetooth in the Miata. That's actually a bit close. Oh well, that's fine. That's my parking. It is really easy to take out the old unit, and then the installation of the unit should be pretty easy. I've got a double DIN, like, sort of bracket piece, but I don't know if it's gonna fit this. We just really have to see. Right, now I've got removal tools from Walmart, since they managed to have these in stock when I needed them, so I was too lazy to order them on Amazon. Okay, bit of a janky setup, but it works. Now I just need to just pull these. There we go. Now it's falling out, kind of ish. What? How has this happened? Hey guys, guess what? Oh, well, actually, I need to take the camera off the tripod. Okay, let's start this again. Hey guys, guess what? Ooh. Yeah, so basically the antenna, I'm just holding this in. Honestly, I really don't know if I want to put the antenna back or not. Just because I don't really have a use for it. Because really, I'm installing the new Bluetooth radio to have Bluetooth and strictly use Bluetooth. I don't plan to use the FM radio anyway, so I'm probably just gonna leave the antenna out and just use Bluetooth. Yeah, anyway, I need to do some wires and stuff now. So yeah, good thing I didn't wire in the male adapter, because this needs a female adapter to plug into. I'm actually gonna go verify whether or not the adapter I have is the same. If not, I'm screwed, because this, I'm pretty sure, has a security code that I need to get from the dealership, because obviously I don't have that. But hopefully this matches, so we can do the wiring and then reinstall the radio. I'm gonna go wire stuff now. Probably won't record that bit, just because I want to get it done as quickly as possible, and wiring takes me the most time. So I'm just gonna do that, and then we'll just plug it in. Easiest install ever. Wiring is done. Really, if you want to know how to do it, it is really straightforward. You just connect the colors together, and that's pretty much it. Because most aftermarket manufacturers have the same color stuff. So basically, this is the stereo head unit, whatever you want to call it, that we're installing. It's the Pioneer AVH 1400 NEX. My Corolla has the 1300 NEX, so it's just a little bit different, but it's pretty much, it's the same thing. Just kind of slide it in there a bit. There we go. It works. Now I need to just plug in the USB and just run it to the glove box, which is right there. And yeah, that's pretty much that. We got Bluetooth. Okay, I've got some of the hardware in. I think we just need to clip this faceplate on, I think, and we should be alright. This may not have worked as cleanly as I was hoping for, but hey, if it works, it works. Oh, you know what, that's not too bad. Oh geez, oh no. It's not moving in. Why not? What's going on? I'm gonna play some copyright music, so I'm just gonna mute the audio in post, aka editing. Well, it's a little dark, to say the least, but it's in. Yeah, it looks really good in there, except it's really only from like this angle. If you look a little closer, yeah, the fitment isn't really that great. The fitment isn't really that great just because like this isn't really how it was designed to be installed in here, but it's how it's installed in here. I'm going to like modify this frame here, but yeah, it works, and that's what's important. So anyway, I consider this a success. Where's my key? Here it is. Let's play some beats. Obviously, it has to be non-copyright. That is copyright, so yeah, no, we're not playing that. Non-copyrighted dubstep music. There we go. This is something. Also, I fixed the volume. See, the one issue with these Pioneers is that they don't always change this interface here, so it still says that I'm listening to Don't Call Me Angel, even though I'm listening to, what is this? 01 by Fierce Beats. Jason, if you copyright me for this, I'm not gonna be happy. That's that. I do need to upgrade the speakers at some point, but that will be, where's my camera? There we go, for another video. So anyway, you can't see me. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, comment below. Tell me what I should improve. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe, especially because we got a 6 Subaru back there that we're working on. Where is it? There it is. Like the video if you liked it, and my double chin's like really showing. And until next time, goodbye.